Gaming headsets have become more accessible to people, budgetary-wise, and are certainly becoming more popular. However, similar to top brand headphones, gaming headsets can get quite expensive. With this being said, I've gotten the opportunity to test out a good alternative to a budget user. Introducing the Hunterspider V-3 headset. Here's what you can get out of a budget headset. I'd like to disclose that this product was sent to me for review. With that being said, my thoughts on this product will not be affected by this fact. This is clarification for those who are viewing this video. Let's begin. The unboxing is pretty simple. There is a lid which will get lifted, followed by the headset itself. This headset comes wrapped in bubble wrap, but we will get rid of that so I can show you the headset. Beyond that, there's just an adapter splitter to separate the audio and microphone ports, along with a warranty booklet. It's a pretty simplistic unboxing experience. The exterior design is actually quite sturdy, consisting entirely of a very tough plastic. The ear cuffs are incredibly soft and easy on the ears. You're also able to extend the reach of the headset around your head through a pretty sturdy notch between the earpiece and the headpiece. This is quite a sturdy headset. The headset is incredibly soft. Now, I personally love how soft it is because it allows for the headset to sit gently on my head, but it may not be ideal for everyone as there are others who prefer a stiffer headband, so I thought that I would at least give that an honorable mention. The microphone is easy to bend and readjust, which is quite nice. You'll find the volume controls for the headset to be around the cable, which offers a volume up-down scroller and a microphone mute switch. But aside from that, this is what the microphone sounds like. Take a listen. Testing. So this is what the microphone sounds like for this headset. I apologize for the terrible video quality as I'm recording from my laptop in order to get this footage for you. As you might be able to tell, my PC is turned on and the microphone is picking up a lot of that sound, not just from my voice. I'd say that it still picks up my voice pretty well, and the sound of my voice is still pretty, I suppose, true to life, I guess you could say. But I can definitely tell that the PC that is right under my desk is pretty loud, and I think the person on the other side could also hear that if I were to speak to anybody at this time. The sound quality on this headset is overall pretty good. It doesn't support 7.1 surround, but as a stereo headset, it does sound pretty good. I don't just say this when it comes to playing video games, which by the way the headset does a good job at separating the different sound stages, but even when it comes to listening to music. This headset produces a good amount of bass overall, nothing too overpowering, but a little closer to ideal. I am able to hear the different instruments being played in a metal song, for example, without difficulty. This separation translates very well into gaming. However, which is when in fact this headset shines the most. Perhaps a little redundant because this is a gaming headset, but I thought it'd be useful to mention. Another thing to clarify is the sound quality when it comes to voice calls. It's also pretty good, about what you would expect of a budget device, and it'll certainly get the job done. Regardless of what it is you're listening to though, this headset will do a great job at isolating you from your surroundings. So with that out of the way, let's talk about my complaints. The microphone does pick up a lot of background noise, which for streamers, it'll probably require them to be in a very quiet space if they plan on using it. The combination of the USB port and audio jack is perhaps a bit much. It would probably be best to make it so that the audio, microphone, and lighting work through the same cable. This, however, is only a complaint if you're using it on PC. You only need the headphone jack to manage the audio and the microphone, as the USB port is only for the LEDs. On PS4, just plug in the headphone jack to your controller and you'll have all of your necessities. Aside from that, this is a good headset for the money. So we have reached the conclusion of this review. With it, I'll answer the question posed at the beginning of this video. What do you get out of a budget headset? You still get good sound quality, comfortable design, good build quality, a strong braided cable, by the way, and a subjectively good look. But you do lose out on a good microphone and convenience of just having to worry about one connection. That is of course if you're on PC, since on console, that headphone jack is basically required no matter what, as on PS4 you do have to plug in the headphone jack to the controller in order for the chat to work. In other words, there's a good value to be had in this budget headset, and I do recommend it. For more content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and to stay updated when a new video comes out, make sure to click on that bell and enable notifications. For links to everything featured in this video, expect to find those in the description along with links for what to watch next. And this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you all later. Enjoy.